Hi, yeah, today we are going to discuss about cascading style sheets, so CSS. So, what is CSS? Why we are going to learn CSS? So, CSS is nothing but we have to control the styles of the web document. It is a simple and easy way. It is a simple and easy way. So CSS describes how the HTML elements or tags are to be displayed on the screen or paper or in the other media. So why the CSS saves a lot of work. So it minimizes the lot of work under the creation of tags. So it can control the layout of multiple web pages at once. So why we are going to learn CSS? So it is a simple design language intended to simplify the process of making web pages presentable. So there are CSS is a must for students and work professional to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in the web development domain. So we are going to develop a website or web pages. So the CSS is very important for given a style to the tags. So there are some advantages over the CSS. So first one is create a stunning websites. So we are going to create a stunning website or very beautiful websites. So it handles the looks and feel part of a web page. So using CSS, you can control over the color of the text, styles of the fonts, spacing between the paragraphs, how the columns are sized, and layout. So what background images or colors are used, layout designs, variations in display for different devices, as well as variety of each effects. So once I become a web designer, if you are having become a web designer or web developer or a website development, if you want to start a career in a professional web designer, you have to know the knowledge of about the CSS and HTML. So next one is it is easy to learn and understand, but it provides powerful control over the presentations of the HTML document. So the CSS is combined with the markup languages HTML or XHTML. Okay, so the CSS can be added to the HTML element in three ways. So we have to incorporate it to HTML elements in three ways. One is inline, another one is internal, another one is external. So there are three ways to insert CSS. One is external style sheets, internal style sheets, and inline style sheets. So what is external style sheets? So the name implies external. That is, external means we having a HTML file, that is .html file. In that the CSS files also there .css file. We have to incorporate with the external by using the external style sheets. So with an external style sheet, you can change the look of the entire website by changing just one file. Each page must include reference links to the external style sheet file inside the link element. So the link tag element goes inside the head sections. So the link tag will have the connectivity of the style sheets. So see this example. This is the example for this external style sheets. So first one is demo.html, another one is mystyle.css. So these two files have to complete, and after save this file and execute the demo.html file alone. So the mystyle.css will be incorporated into the demo.html. So see this, the doc.html after head tag followed by header section. In this header sections we have to give the reference, that is link reference, that is mystyle.css. So link rel equal to style sheet. So what is the type? Text bar CSS. So href is, that is h references. The h references equal to the particular path, that is mystyle.css. So if we given this two line, that is a single line, the link reference line, automatically the demo.html file will be while executing, it will be automatically this cascading style sheet will be incorporated in the particular file. So here, after closing of a header section, the body tag will be open. So in this body tag, the h1, this is a heading, I given a h1 as heading, this is a heading, and paragraph also, this is a paragraph. After closing of paragraph and also h1, the complete body closed and html closed. So I am using a body as background color as light blue. So my style.css, in this my style.css, may mentionly body open curly braces, close curly braces, that is a tag, that is inside the body. I am going to use that this body contains light blue color. After that h1 is heading 1. So the heading 1 is this is a heading. This heading 1 have given as a color as a navy color, and margin left equal to 20 pixel. So that margin left equal to 20 point. So after completing of this file, it will save and execute. It will be displayed as a body as a light blue, and also the h1 color as a navy and margin 20 pixel. So next type is internal style sheets. So internal style sheet is nothing but we are using a style tag. Okay, we are using a style tag inside the header section. So internal style sheet may be used if only one single page as a unique style. The internal styles are defined within the style element inside the head section of an html page. So example, here also simple example, see this, it contains only one file, that is .html file. There is no external style sheets. We does not need the external style sheets .css file. We can include in the with the help of style tag. So first one is html, after followed by header section. After that header section, inside the header section we use the style tag. In the style tag, we have to give the styles, that is like body color equal to color background color equal to linen, and h1 equal to color maroon, and margin left equal to 40 pixel, and h1 closed. After completing of the style, the style tag will be closed, followed by a tag also closed, and then we can go for body. Inside the body tag, we given this is a heading, the content will be a this is a heading. So paragraph also, the content will be a this is a paragraph. So if we given these two, this one, after completing of the body and html, so if we execute this one, see this output. So the color will be, the background body will be the linen, and also the h1 tag will be denoted as this is a heading tag will be denoted, and it will be color will be a maroon color, and pixel, that is margin left, as margin left contains a 40 pixel for 40 size. So the 40 size. So this is a internal style sheets. Next one is inline style sheets. So first one is we saw about the external style sheets. Next one is internal style sheets, where external style sheets is we are going to create another css file, that is .css file, whereas in internal style sheets we are going to incorporate in the html file itself by using this style tag. Here inline styles, we are going to apply the unique style for a single element. We are going to apply in the single element in the particular area itself. To use the inline styles, add styles attributes to the relevant element. The style attributes can be contained only css property. For example, below shows to how change the color and left of the margin html element. So this is the inline element example. So see this, as usual, body html. Here also we are going to .html file, only one file. We are going to file name .html inside the inside the html file. we are using a HTML. After body we are going to tag particular tag. For example, h1 space style, we are using a style tag here. Style equal to color blue and margin left 30 pixel, and this is a heading. This is a close of h1. So same way paragraph, this is a paragraph and a paragraph closed. So h1 style equal to color blue, and this is a blue heading. Okay, so heading. So see this output, the margin is 30 pixel, and also left side will be moved from the web page. So this is a heading is a marked as a blue color, and after that next one is paragraph. This is a paragraph. It is a quite normal default page will be appeared. This is a paragraph. After that this is a blue heading. So this is a blue heading is marked as a blue color blue. If we change, we can change the color as red or anything, it will be automatically changed. So these are the CSS inline style sheets. So CSS is a cascading style sheet is nothing but we having a three categories. One is internal style sheet, another one is external style sheets, another one is embedded style sheets. Okay. So next one is XML introductions. So what is mean by XML? So XML stands for Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. So we so far we learned HTML. After that HTML tags. After that in the HTML tags so many concepts is there. That is example as a table, list, and then how to go for forms and frames. So see, these are the HTML. It comes under HTML. Now we are going to extensible markup, that is hypertext markup languages. So it is same, somewhat identical to HTML. The XHTML is almost identical to HTML, and XHTML is stricter than HTML. The HTML is defined as a XML applications. So XML application is nothing but we are going to see about the later section. That is the very next section is XML. So that time you understand that the XML concept. The XHTML is supported by all major browsers. So like whereas HTML the supports the browsers only, less browsers only it will support, whereas XHTML is supports all the browsers. So major browsers like Netscape navigators or Mozilla Firefox, some of the browsers. The most important difference between HTML and XHTML. So what is this? So document structure. The XHTML doc type is mandatory. So here the XHTML doc type is mandatory. Compulsory we have to include the document type. That is a document type. What is the document which from which it is entered? Okay. So